Good morning. Or actually, no, it is good afternoon. Dang it. I'm kind of pissed off because the guy who said he was going to be coming to paint hasn't come, so my bed is still a mess. I could have slept on my bed. Ugh. But now, for some reason, there's just like a litter explosion right there. But guess what? There's no litter from the litter box to here. It's all just right here. It's a litter explosion. My cat is a wizard. Or a Kneasel, if you know what that is. Harry Potter nerd for the win! It is Friday, which means meeting time! So, just started the meeting and I have nothing really to do in this one. But the next meeting on Tuesday, I'm actually hosting and presenting. Like, I'm talking throughout the majority of the time, which is freaking scary. But, we'll see how I do. Oh, thank goodness that meeting is over. I mean, it wasn't a bad meeting, but I kind of made a mistake. Previously, there's been another lady who's been setting up all the meetings and sending out all the links and stuff. Well, I decided to try something different today, and I learned that the other lady didn't do this thing for a reason. Because there are two links that you can supply. One is for panelists, and one is for attendees. And every meeting, I move all of the attendees into the panelist section. I make them all panelists. So I was like, why don't I just make this easier on myself and send out the panelist link? Well, yeah, that was a problem. So I'm waiting in the meeting room all by myself. And I'm like, where the heck is everyone? There's at least a few people in by now. And then I'm getting like 15 emails. Hey, I can't get in. I can't log in. It's giving me this error. It's like, crap. So, yeah, WebEx, you are complicated. But the meeting went well. You know, nothing went wrong in the meeting. They were all very understanding, and we only started a little bit late because, yeah. But it wasn't that big a mistake, and I learned from it. So, yeah, that was interesting, to say the least. And now, probably more work, and my grandmother is almost here, which is good. She's going to be spending like a week here, because she is in much, much better health, which I am very grateful for. I don't think she's here yet. But she will be here, and then she's off to a mani-pedi and girly stuff like that. Of course I had a partner next to me, a partner in crime while I was on my meeting. Although he was sleeping the entire time. So not much of a partner in crime. Murphy. He freaked out. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. He freaked out at one point. He was just like, blah, 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 with all of his legs. It was so funny. I don't know. Do you think my grandmother's here? What? Is she here? Is she here? Come here. Is she here? Are you happy to see her? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Murphy. Psst, psst. I think he likes the bag. What's in there, Oliver? What? What?
If you Reviewed at its boiling point. Records the appointment.
What?
I'm Alicia Richardson. Exactly. That's what
Where's Murphy? Where is he? Go see him. Where is he?
Jimmy in the well? Jimmy. Jimmy in the well?
Is he?
Jimmy out of the well.
Get him out. Don't just bark. Get him out. Stop. What? Not you.
He doesn't want to come out.
No, he likes the bag. Alright, leave him alone. He's fine in the bag.
Ariel is wearing a knee-length touchdown.
Work.
Alicia is wearing a knee-length black organza gown with a traditional servant neckline. Kristen is wearing a short gown.
Thank you. Well, I'm going to sleep. Hopefully so I can get up early. So, good night.